Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So this video will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so my notification will get you first. So let's start the video without wasting any beautiful time. So let's start the video. So you can see the first picture, you can see the purple color bed and all, and the mirror, the beautiful cute dog you can see on the bed, beautiful dog. The cotton you can see, this also very beautiful, the wall, the lights, the small leaves and all, and the LED lights, very beautiful lights. This one you can see the floor, you can see wooden floor, the chair, the table, white color, the wall, and the roses, beautiful rose and all, beautiful rose. This one also the pink color chair, the keyboard you can see beautiful, the mic and all, and the up is everything is very beautiful, very good. And so also very beautiful, you can see the side lights you can see, and the bed and the wall you can see the photos is there, beautiful photos are there. It's also very beautiful, you can see the sunlight, the small light you can see on the table, very beautiful. Here you can see the laptop. This one you can see the wedding, maybe a small baby's room they make, and you can see the applause, the floor, the roof, very beautiful decoration. This one also the white color room, you can see the lamp, the table, the chair on and all, the white color, the small plants and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see the small bulbs and all, and the wall you can see blue color, and up you can see this one also very beautiful, you can see the mirror, you can see the chair, the floor, the table, laptop and all, very beautiful. It's also very beautiful, you can see the lights and all, very beautiful lights, blue color, pink color lights and all, very beautiful lights, look beautiful looking. It's also the place you can keep your shoes, beautiful VIP shoes you can keep here for decoration, beautiful decoration. The back side, the light also very beautiful. This one also also very beautiful, you can see the wall, the mirror and the full sides you can see table and all. It's also very beautiful, you can see that laptop table and the small bulbs and all, and the photo frame you can see beautiful. This one also you can see the maybe gaming room, normal gaming room, you can see the photos and all, and the down you can see iPad and all, laptops. And so also you can see the small white color plants and all, very beautiful plants, good decoration. And this one the up roof lights, you can see the side mirror lights, you can see the bed, purple color light, they put beautiful light. Then this one the beautiful clock you can keep for room decoration. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon, comment me down so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. I hope you will like this video. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.